Hey, I'm Mike, and this is Definite. Definite is a data stack in a box. We give you a single app to pull the data out of your various sources, drop it into a single data warehouse, which will manage for you, and then analyze that data with natural language. So you can ask questions in natural language, get data back, build dashboards, and share those with the rest of your team. So the first step's obviously to add your sources. So we have all the sources you'd expect, things like Stripe, HubSpot, your ad data. All these sources can be added either through OAuth or an API token. So for Facebook ads, as an example, we need an access token and an account ID. And as soon as you add that, we'll start ingressing the data and pulling it all into Snowflake for you. From there, it's actually really simple to get started with asking questions. So we can just create a new block and ask a question. So we might say something like metrics, ARR, we want new ARR, count of customers, and let's say churn. Now, I actually forgot to add a time dimension here, but that's easy to add after the fact. So this is going to construct a query, return some data. So this is all at a summary level for all time. But if we wanted to say, by month for the last, let's say 12 months, and we'll run that again. And this, will automatically figure out, the time dimensions to use, the granularity to use based on the number of months. And now we have, clean data back. We have built-in formatting. So things like ARR is formatted as a currency. Number of customers is just a count. So, kind of clean view of the data there. And then if we want to visualize this, we build a chart on top of it. And we are going to maybe add a few metrics here. So we have ARR. Maybe we want ARR and the number of customers. Customers, we're going to pop onto the right axis, and we'll make number of customers a bar. So really easy to build these visualizations out. This is going to be ARR and customers by month. And one thing you'll notice when I pop back out here is this is all on kind of an infinite canvas. So you can build as many of these blocks as you want. And then when you have the analysis cleaned up, we can flip over to a static view that's a little bit easier to share with the rest of your team. So let's make this panel bigger. And this is now in a nice clean format that I can share with the rest of my team. One dashboard that I've put a few more minutes into is this one over here that has the customers in ARR that we looked at, growth rate, new ARR, churn. All of these date filters at the top kind of flow through the whole dashboard. So if I change this to 18 months, it's going to refresh the full dashboard to go back 18 months. So this makes it really easy to, filter an entire dashboard by channel that I have up here or region, things like that. Very easy to build something like this out in Definite since all of your data is in one place. If you want to check it out, we're at definite.app, and you can always reach me in the support here, chat with us or email support. I'm Mike at definite.app.